Did you know you can send SMS messages directly from your AI coding assistant? In this video, I'll show you how to send SMS from KiloCode using SMPP and Ozeki SMS Gateway. Let's get started. How does this solution work? KiloCode connects to the SMPP SMS MCP server through the MCP protocol, and the Ozeki SMS Gateway forwards the message to the mobile network over SMPP to deliver it to the recipient's phone. What is KiloCode? KiloCode is an AI-powered coding assistant extension for Visual Studio Code that helps developers write code faster and more efficiently. What is an SMPP SMS MCP Server? Is a standardized software bridge that uses the Model Context Protocol to connect AI assistants to an SMS gateway system for sending and receiving messages. Before you can use the SMS MCP Server, you need to install Ozeki SMS Gateway on your Windows machine or server. Download the installer zip file from the website, extract it, and run the executable to complete the installation. Once installed, the gateway will start automatically and its web-based management interface will be accessible from your browser. To enable the MCP functionality in Ozeki, you need to set up an SMPP client connection and create a new MCP user account. In the Advanced tab of the user settings, generate and copy the API key required for authentication. To configure KiloCode, open the Kilo JSON key configuration file and add the Ozeki SMPP SMS MCP Server entry. Save the file, launch VS Code, and verify the connection in the Agent Behavior MCP Servers tab. To test SMS sending, type your plain language request into the KiloCode chat panel inside VS Code. KiloCode will ask for your permission before invoking the SMS tool, and once you press Run, the result will appear in the chat panel. To check successful SMS delivery, open Ozeki SMS Gateway in your browser and navigate to the MCP User Details page. In the MCP User Event Log, you should see an entry for the outgoing message. That's how you send SMS from KiloCode using SMPP and Ozeki SMS Gateway. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.